Ever felt the need to start fresh with your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch? Sometimes a clean slate is all you need. Securely erasing your device can give you that fresh start. But how do you do it without leaving any traces behind? First, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. This step is crucial to ensure all your data is wiped clean. Be patient, as it may take a few minutes for your device to be completely erased. Every bit of data needs to be securely removed. But what if you can't erase your device? Maybe you've forgotten your passcode or your device is disabled. Don't worry, there's a way out. If you can't remember your passcode, there are steps you can take to regain access. Forgotten your screen time passcode? You can reset it, but remember, restoring from a backup won't remove this passcode. It's important to know these steps to avoid any frustration and ensure your device is ready for a fresh start. Whether it's for selling your device or just starting anew, knowing how to factory reset is essential. Take control of your device's security and performance by mastering the factory reset process today.